In today's video, I'm going to teach you getting rid of extra columns and rows in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet has a lot of empty rows and columns beyond your actual data, cleaning them up can make the sheet feel much more organized and easier to work with. It can also help you scroll more efficiently and keep your workspace focused only on the information you really need. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to remove those extra blank rows and columns quickly. First, look at your sheet and find the last row that contains real data. Then click the row number directly below it. This is important because you want to keep all of your existing information untouched and only remove the empty rows underneath. Once that row is selected, use the keyboard shortcut to highlight everything from that point down to the bottom of the sheet. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and the down arrow key. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and the down arrow key. This selects all of the blank rows below your data in one move, which is much faster than dragging manually. After those rows are highlighted, right-click on any of the selected row numbers along the left side. A menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option to delete the rows. As soon as you do that, all of those extra blank rows will be removed, and your sheet will end neatly at the last row of your actual data. Next, you'll do the same thing for columns. Find the first empty column immediately to the right of your real data, and click the column letter at the top. Be careful to choose the first blank column, not a column that still contains information you want to keep. Once it's selected, highlight all remaining columns to the far right edge of the sheet. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and the right arrow key. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and the right arrow key. This instantly selects every extra blank column to the end. Now right-click on any of the highlighted column letters at the top. In the menu that appears, choose the option to delete the columns. That will remove all the unused columns and leave your spreadsheet looking much cleaner and more compact. This is a simple cleanup technique, but it can make a big difference, especially if you are sharing the sheet with others or just want a more polished layout. Thanks for watching.